how to switch to Opus in Claude Code CLI. So hey guys, welcome to this tutorial. In this tutorial, I'll show you how you can enable the Opus model in Claude Code CLI if you are running on Haiku or Sonnet. So in order to switch to Opus, all you will need to do is first simply launch your Claude Code CLI in your Windows PowerShell. To do that, simply type in Claude and hit the enter button to launch the Claude Code CLI. Then once you're in the terminal line, simply type in the following command, that is a forward slash, and then you're going to type in config. Then hit the enter key, and from here you can see this config list appears. So simply move down, and at the last you will see this option, that is model. So currently you can see that the model is set to Sonnet. If you want to use Opus, what you can do is simply press the space bar in order to change this, and from here choose the default or the recommended option, which will use Opus 4.6 with 1 million context. So to do that, simply press the enter button, and now you can see that the model has been set to default, and it will dynamically switch between these three and will also majorly use the Opus. So that was all for this tutorial. Thanks for watching and have a nice day.